To receive iPhone notifications on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, first of all, I recommend you to go into the application called the Huawei Health. In this application you can manage all of this stuff right here of your Huawei watch. Let's select our device and here go for notifications. From here, make sure that this switch for notifications is enabled and all of the other switches for these notifications are also enabled, and this one particularly, yes, you have to enable this one for other applications. And if you still don't receive notifications from your iPhone on this smartwatch, then I recommend you to actually go into the settings and from here go for these notifications, and here make sure to actually enable all of the notifications right here, the display, and take a look at the list of all of these applications also, and from here allow the notifications of this particular application and allow all of the notifications for this application. That is very important. And from here you'll actually be notified, you'll get all of these notifications now on your smartwatch.